can you guess what tea this is, or what beverage it is? Yes, it is a hot beverage. And would you believe it that it is dandelion tea? Did you know that dandelion can make a tea, make a hot beverage? Yes. This beverage is made from the seed of the dandelion. And here this one is actually sweetened with milk. So yes, dandelion seeds can be grounded, and they are a great substitute, or this is a great substitute for coffee. Yes, dandelion seeds are great for heart palpitations, hypertension, malaria, kidney and bladder problems. So yes, that's dandelion tea. It is filled with quite a lot of benefits for you and your family. So yes, it's a great substitute. And did you know this? Share in the description section of this video if you knew that dandelion seeds can make a coffee beverage or coffee substitute. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and follow us on all our social media platforms.